The arm is trapped. He needs his arm to be on this side. Then it's a double bug.
सेंग कि तुम नाले पार से जो एक्टर आए हो, वो कह रहे हैं जो तवा फ्राई एक्टर आया है हमारा, वो खुद टैप कर रहा है, वो इसलिए सैटरडे आया है, ऐसा कह रहा है।
It's very specialized. I've never seen such a specialized thing on something that is so rare.
No, he's good. He's doing a good job.
यसु का जन्म हुआ बगी वाली रात।
Very natural.
आपने कहा है, आपकी बात को नहीं छोड़ सकता। आज है जी, आज के बाद मत करता।
Bad videos.
Morning everyone. This Saturday I'll be teaching, so don't laugh. This is a serious class, and we'll start the warm-up by this. Don't laugh. Serious class. Keep it towards your chest. No, it's not like you can do it like this also. As long as you have. So, same with the other leg. Out the run. Knees to the chest. Knees to the hips. No touches. Front rolls. Backward rolls. So squat, side to side rolls. Side to side. try to make space if you don't have it.
I should roll on the shoulders, not on the back.
Normal running. Go. When I say go, you sprint. Go. Normal running. Up. Running. Go. Normal running. When I say go, you do 5 push-ups. Go. Now running. Up. Go. When I say go, we do squats. How many? I 10. Go! 1. Up. This time 5. Go! 1. Up. That's the last one. We do 10. Up. That's it. Take a water break. That's what we are. From that, we'll do the lasso and we'll transition into some inversions with the triangle. So we'll start with this fighter guard.
We have the control of the wrist or the watch. Take the lasso. We put this leg on the hips so that it gives him a hint to pass the guard. We won't go for the bicep slicer. Instead, the right side arm will dive in and at the same time wheel inward. This leg goes forward, this revolves around the neck. We take that in guard, triangle, and we finish. So again, we use the spider guard. Taking spider guard, we take the lasso, right leg falls on your hip. It gives him the hint to pass the guard. We dive the right side arm inside so that we can invert or transition quickly. This leg, the left leg, goes up, and this falls right on the back of the head. You know the triangle finishes. We have done it. We transition into it. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Push. Now take in the lasso. The right leg falls on the hip. Take the left. Yeah. Transition. Leg up. Lasso here, lasso. Now leave that. Right leg. Falls on the hip.
He'll take pass the guard, let him pass. आपको ये वाला हार करना है. ना right leg on the hip, let him transition, push the left leg, yeah, and go for the triangle. You can't let go of the hands, तभी transition होगा, वरना वो गिर जाएगा. Lasso guard. Sorry, fighting guard, lasso. Right leg on the hip. First, I use this to transition. This leg goes forward. I have the arm.
Switch the arm.
No. I can switch for a better transition, but still, I still have the hand. I need to keep the hand. The right leg.
Feels like you're helping me.
5 push-ups for leg cover. Are you sure?
Either I can finish
A key detail, if your triangle fails, if your leg can't go above, the hand falls out, you can go in for the omoplata. You have the omoplata entry as well. Yeah. So this part, you are too much on the hip. You have to be like this. Yeah. Like too much on this side. Yeah. I'll give you an example.
I'm playing the lasso guard. I'll be a spider guard. You take the lasso. Now at this part, you have to be like this.
If you can't be like this, the transition is not going to be there. It's just not going to be there.
Right arm
On the thigh or the calf. You push this leg above.
on the, you'll be on your back. Push it above. Tail thing is going to pass, it's going to go there. When it goes there, you have
The triangle.
Oh, okay. Okay? Okay.
ऐसे होगा, very good.
पहले से मैंने ऊपर रखे हुए हैं।
For the inversion, your hips have to be above the ground, above the mat. If you can't invert easily, take the right arm, dive more into it. You get the leverage for your hips to go up. जब आप टर्न करते हो, लेग को जो लेफ्ट साइड वाला लेग है, उसको एकदम ऊपर भेजो। और डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है, तो फिर वो थोड़ा सा टाइट है। वो डिस्कनेक्ट होगा तो और स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन होगा। और राइट, राइट। अच्छा क्या हो रही है? पॉइंट नहीं आप गलत ले रहे हो ये तो फिर फ्लैश हो गया। आप बाइसेप्स स्लाइसर के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, बट हम उसके लिए ट्रायंगल कर जाएंगे। हाँ, इसको पुश करो। आप क्या कर रहे हो, जो ये वाला आर्म है ना, आप सिर्फ उसको रख रहे हो। यू नीड टू पुल द आर्म एक्चुअली। बस साइड है, थोड़ा तो पहले साइड को जाना है। अब इसमें जब राइट आर्म लेके जा रहा हूँ, एट द सेम टाइम ये जो
लेग है मैं ऊपर लेके आता हूँ। आर्म में चेंज कर सकता हूँ अगर मेरे को लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा आगे है। आर्म अपनी तरफ पुल करें। अगर आपको लग रहा है आप मुझसे डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है और आपको ट्रायंगल के लिए ही जाना है, आर्म को चेंज दूसरे जो ये वाला आर्म है जिससे पकड़ा हुआ है, चेंज वाइड ट्रांजिशनिंग यांग इट बैक, वो एकदम बंदा आपके ऊपर आ जाएगा। So what problem are we facing is this arm or the person is not easily transitioning into an triangle. Take this, do this. Leg should be above. We should push above. If the guy is not following you, take the other arm, this arm, towards ourselves, push it back. In this way, he'll fall right into the place. One more time. We wear the lasso guard. Right leg on the hip, right arm on the thigh. We transition. The hips, you see my hips are off the mat. If it's on the mat, I can't. Otherwise, I can physically cannot, and you can easily transition. If my hips are off the mat, it's going to be very easy. Right now, his arm is on the other side. What I want to do is, we take the right arm, keep it to ourselves, we push, we push, we push. Now we get a tighter triangle, and we finish. Any difficulties, any doubts? 3, 2, 1. जब इस आर्म को ले रहे हैं ना, इसी में अपने हिप को ऊपर बिठा, ऊपर। ये वाला आर्म टर्न करो। Yeah, just 1 second. No, you're not turn कर रहे हो, don't take time. ऊपर रहेगा। अगर हिप्स ऊपर रहेंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगी। जब आप हिप्स नीचे रख रहे हो तब प्रॉब्लम। और वो स्लो हो जाता है। So this one more time. Half of you guys the arms are getting disconnected. Keep this arm locked in, as if you want to go for the bicep press. Get this locked in. Get this arm, push it back. Get the triangle. Again.
Can you please show it on the left side, please? Lasso on the left side, left arm.
For now, we do it on the right hand side.
The other right side.
No, my left.
Just invert the camera.
Guys, this is club, please don't do. We dive in. Get this leg out. Get this arm tighter. Tighter. Any doubts? Why are the arms getting disconnected? Is the problem? Hips should be up. You won't disconnect. You have the arms, you have everything. Yank it off. Go for the triangle. 3, 2, 1. No water breaks. We're not jumping, we're not passing guard. No water breaks. And then we get in the triangle. So for the next part, we are doing 2 submissions.
I have a question.
I haven't said doubt, but
Can you show us the entry for the lasso guard?
yeah.
And can you also pull guard like this?
Yeah.
So how do we get?
One question at a time. Section D. You want to see the entry?
Yeah.
Full guard. We get the arm control. Either we dive in for the butterfly, and if he gets up, more for the lasso. It's highly unlikely, but I take my chances. Fall in. Now for the second part. Enough with the doubts. For the second part, lasso guard.
Coach, is it a deep lasso or is it shallow lasso? What's the difference in both?
next class. So,
We covered that for 2 weeks.
for me, it's a very shallow lasso, but for some long-legged Raghav, it's got to be very deep. He's got to take in very deep. But this is not the right way. If you take it very deep, it's going to be hard, very hard for you to transition. If you take it in a very shallow way, it's going to be very easy. Lot more room to invert. Yeah.
What if person falls down with the ankle like Amrish was doing?
Yeah, I've covered that also.
Amrish, can you show us please? And don't let the ankle go till the ball.
He doesn't have anything.
No, he has.
Happy off. He doesn't have anything to lock in the ankle lock. He doesn't have the leg configuration. He doesn't have the strength nor the will. So yeah. Now for the second part, no more doubts. Please cameraman. The second part, if he doesn't fall in for the bicep slicer, if my arm isn't connected, he'll disconnect and he'll pass for this. Same time, we go for the buggy. For the buggy, the key detail is to be on the right hand side or the left hand side as long as you are like this in the sleeping position. The tricep needs to be connected to the back of the head. You go like this, you connect. The key detail in buggy choke is that this arm needs to be more towards my head. If it's more towards my head, the contraction is going to be very easy, like this. This is the buggy choke. If the arm is outside, the buggy choke isn't that successful. If the arm is more inside, we have a lot more leverage. If he goes forward, better for us, we do a deep connection and we figure 4. We finish with the buggy choke. The main detail is for the buggy choke. We are like this. This is the guy's head. We triangle. We need to push the shoulders more in front, and we need to squeeze. We squeeze like this. This is the main buggy choke. Any doubts?
Can you please show it on Raghav?
So elegant.
Raghav. Try to be gentle. So guard, I don't have a deep connection. He falls right into the trap. We push forward. We need to bait him like we are escaping this side control by getting up, or we need to bait him somehow so that the tricep connection towards the back of the head is more better. Like this. We fall in. Raghav is like a fucking dinosaur. I don't know why. We fall in. We connect. Right now his arm is on the wrong side. We need to bait him more so that he gets his arm inside. More deep connection.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can your partner not do arm triangle on you from here?
They can, but for now we'll focus on the submission.
What if he just gets up?
If he gets up,
Yeah.
much better for us.
Get up now. Oh, like with the buggy choke.
If you pick me up.
You want to do that?
As a competition, in the competition views, if he gets up, he's not going to slam you. If you get slammed, he's disqualified. In any other way, he gets disqualified. For the buggy choke, I get in, I try to bait him. I bait him, I get on the side more. The connection is good. I do this, try to get up.
Come on, Raghav. The buggy choke is more easier.
Because your weight is on the top.
Yeah.
Let him get up. You still, if you have the deep connection, your armpit space needs to be on the knee space, like this. Get in, get the figure 4, do it like this. Don't do it like this. Don't do your buggies like this. You'll get toe hold by yourself. Don't do that. Figure 4. Get your knee connection to anything like this, anything, any which way is fine. Don't do it like this. Please don't do it. You won't get a good submission out of it. Yeah. Any other doubts?
The most important thing I suppose is to keep your tricep on the back of
The head. Or to check it, like Ganesh said, we take the OK grip for the ankle. Same procedure goes for the bucking choke. We need to measure it. We do it like this. We see if it's connecting or not. If it's not, move more side. Just get connected, then we straight away shoot for it. Any other doubts?
What's the defense for it?
I will not show that. I will not show that. We're going for the submissions and not getting out of it. 3, 2, 1.
एक तो फिर चलती है।
एक तो सीधा नहीं वही बता सकता हूँ। Very important part you're missing it out. Use this arm. Hip, right leg is on the hip. I hold transition. Why was I transition? I'll hold for the buggy choke. He's going to take the side control or the arm triangle. Let him pass. And get the buggy choke. Second leg comes forward. Get the knee connection. You don't need to transition into triangle. If you don't have the arms, don't transition, you will mount your right hip. तो उसको निकालो ना केसेस तक जरा मुझे यहाँ तो सर केसेस नहीं मुझे आप करके दिखाना है मेरे केसेस तक बोला hand push let him pass इसको पुश तो करोगे ना इस वाले को बगी के लिए कैसे जाओगे आप पास के लिए जा रहे हो मैंने ये वाला साइड कर दिया छोड़ दिया मैंने साइड पे तो जाऊंगा मैं इसको निकालूंगा अगर इसको नहीं निकालूंगा तो फिर कुछ होगा ही नहीं फिर तो इसका कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वी हैव टू डाइव इन साइड तभी आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि जब मैंने ग्रिप छोड़ दी है कि आप साइड कंट्रोल पे आके आर्म ट्रायंगल ले सकते हो आर्म तो उसके लिए जाओगे नीचे जाओ उस टाइम पे मैं देखूंगा नी कनेक्शन कितना अच्छा है अगर अच्छा नहीं है जैसे अभी नहीं आप थोड़े पीछे हो हिप एस्केप create some space नी कनेक्शन अभी भी अच्छा अगर आपके हैंड अभी ऊपर है I'll still give you some space या आप शायद अगर आप इस साइड लेके जाओगे शायद कोई बेटर होएगा वो नहीं चलेगा I'll still dive लासो ले अब इस हैंड को छोड़ दे ये वाला राइट लेग पहले मैं अंदर जाऊंगा जैसे मैं पुश करूँ कैसे निकालेगा हाँ वाला निकाल लिया। अब तू क्या क्या बैक पे नहीं होना, साइड में कनेक्शन देख नहीं है, अभी नहीं है तेरा कनेक्शन। हिप एस्केप, हाँ मैं हैंड हिप एस्केप से क्या होगा, तो मेरा हैंड यहाँ पे हिप एस्केप कर, मेरा हैंड आगे करेगा, वो हिप से पीछे जा रहा है, कर एस्केप कर, अब डीप कनेक्शन होगा। और अब जब पूरा लॉन्ग प्लेन है तब भी हिप एस्केप कर, क्यों ही होगा, उससे तो फिनिश होगा।
Going away or going in? Sir?
Yes.
How to fix it on the last?
अभी आपका कनेक्शन नहीं है, आपको हिप एस्केप करना होगा। Yes, yes, yes. You feel the connection is more deeper. Hip escape more. Get it more deep, more deep. Bait her to move forward. Yeah. एक सेकंड. Figure 4. हाथ को कनेक्ट कर लो, ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे आपकी थोड़ी ग्रिप निकल के रोलेगी, तो अपने रेस्टलेस ग्रिप ये ऐसे जैसे अभी भी कनेक्शन इतना नहीं कि आप बैक पे, मैं बैक पे नहीं था, आई हैव टू बी कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक दिस। अगर मैं ऐसे रहूँगा बहुत 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 जान लगेगी मेरे, क्योंकि मेरे से वो लेवरेज नहीं क्रिएट होती। मेरे को लेवरेज तभी क्रिएट होगी जब बंदा आगे जाएगा, आगे जा रहा है फिर ठीक है, ठीक है। अगर मेरे को लेवरेज ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं क्रिएट करती, वो अपने आप साइड हिप एस्केप करती है।
जिस भी साइड का फुट में ड्रैग कर लूँ, जो उस हिप पे रहना है या अदर हिप पे रहना है?
दूसरे हिप पे रहना, उस हिप पे कैसे रह सकते हो? अगर उस हिप पे रहोगे तो फिर वो बगीचों पूरा नहीं होगा। अगर वो आगे जा रहे हैं तो आप उसी हिप पे रहोगे, क्योंकि ऑटोमेटिकली वो अपना वेट पूरा आप पे पुश कर रहे हैं। अगर वो पुश नहीं कर रहे,
So, अगर वो आगे जा रहे हैं, still I wanna try करें तो दूसरा हिप मार सकते
वहीं से फिनिश होगा। वो अपने आप जैसे आगे जाएंगे, थोड़ी सी स्पेस क्रिएट करेंगे, थोड़ी स्पेस क्रिएट होगा, और डीप और डीप, जितना डीप जा सकता हूँ उतना जाऊँगा। अब जैसे आप कह रहे हो उस हिप पे, अभी जैसे मैं फ्लैट हूँ, मैं उसको वेट कर, जैसे मैं फ्लैट हूँ मैं इसमें फिनिश नहीं कर सकता, अभी फिनिश होगा ही नहीं। मैं इसको वेट कर रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा सा लूज करूँगा, थोड़ा सा आगे जाऊँगा, थोड़ा सा लूज करूँगा, थोड़ा आगे। अब जब आगे चला गया है, अब मेरे पास कनेक्शन पूरा है, अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा आगे पुश कर सकता हूँ। अब वो आगे और जाएगा, कोशिश करेगा और जाएगा, वो और टाइट होते जाएगा। But the ideal buggy choke finish is on the other side. क्योंकि इससे मेरा क्रंचिंग पावर ज़्यादा होता है, इसमें मेरी क्रंचिंग पावर बहुत लिमिटेड है। इस पे रहूँगा तो मेरी क्रंचिंग पावर बहुत ज़्यादा कर सकता हूँ। इसमें अगर जब जा रहे हो इसको बेट करो और आगे जा, पूरा प्रेशर आगे डाल दो। एक सेकंड भाई और भी देगा
आगे कैसा जा रहा है आपका सेमिनार?
ठीक है सर, एक और सेमिनार की याद आ गई मेरे को। आपको ग्राउंड फोर्स मैनेजमेंट नहीं, ग्राउंड फोर्स मूवमेंट वाला सर।
उसमें ये सब किया था, उसमें हमने बंदी सीखा था।
उसमें सोना सीखा था सर मैंने 5000
आप
रुपये के।
सो रहे हैं, आपका रिव्यू ये रहेगा, आप सो रहे हैं?
नहीं, आज मैं जागने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, सेमिनार की वजह से या अपनी वजह से?
अपनी वजह से। सेमिनार इज़ गुड।
सेमिनार इज गुड।
आज
कितना
इंजर्ड
रेट
हूँ मैं।
करोगे आप 1 to 10 में से?
1 to 10 में से सर शिमरी आइज।
Guys, we are here for a quick review. कैसा जा रहा है आपका सेमिनार?
सारे क्वेश्चन
सेमिनार कैसा जा रहा है? ज़्यादा समझदार मत बनो। हाँ, जो पूछा वो बताओ।
फुटेज खा लिए थे।
दिखा रहा हूँ। It's good.
Great.
कुछ फीडबैक, कुछ बढ़िया हो सकता है,
Everything's
बढ़िया नहीं
good.
कर सकते
It's
हो।
very different. Just
वेरी डिफरेंट। क्या हुआ है?
यसु का जन्म हुआ बगी वाली रात।
घर खुशियों की.
Charles, this is for a quick review. How has your seminar experience been?
It's good, but it's tough. I'm
It's
not
tough?
quite getting it.
Do you think the instructor should improve on his teaching?
Guys, get in.
No, he's good. He's doing a good job.
Get in. Charles, get in.
Okay, so now shrimp.
We cover it up. Get in. Buddy, get in. Charles. leave it for now. I'm staying. People are not getting the entries. It's very simple. I let go of the grip and I kick this foot up. This leg goes on the hip. If you want to get this right arm inside, it's fine. If you don't, it's fine. I leave this arm, I kick forward and I get on the side of the hip. Right now, the connection is fine, but I still want to make it more better. Hip escape. So the hip escape plays two parts. I can get a lot more deeper connection with the tricep, and if the arm is on this side, the hip escape forces the arm to go on my head, and that part plays a very important role. The entry is a lot more important than the finish. Get in the entry right, you'll get the buggy choke. Yeah, any doubts?
Yes, coach. What if your partner starts planting his knee on your face?
For the buggy choke.
Yeah, whether you have a buggy, and let's say it's a competition, right? And he starts planting his knee, right? And he's not being gentle with it.
The right side foot is inside for now. That is why I can try to evade, and the right side arm is placement on the left side of the leg. You guys, first question is, what if he tries and forces his body to himself? I need to frame. If he tries to diminish the frame, I still have everything. I can go in for the triangle as well. The right side foot is trapped. I try to create some space. I hip escape, get this leg out, go for the triangle. I'm a student, not a teacher, so the transition is a lot more difficult for me than for Vinisa.
What happened to buggy choke?
We need to, if the connection is not that deep and the other guy is pressurizing more, we need to escape from the buggy choke, as the buggy choke is the one in million, but it's fancy. Yeah. Any doubts? और कोई आज बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट मेरे घर को, हैं? Fancy highlights.
Good question. Can you do the buggy check from side control top position?
Yeah.
कई लोग कह रहे हैं ये पेड एक्टर है तुम्हारा पार्टनर.
Side control.
Top position.
This arm goes, the mechanics remain the same. This tricep goes on the back of the head. I try to get this leg on the back of the head. I push forward, get the transition in, and I sit. So this is the buggy choke.
But if I can't he take you into buggy before this step?
Yeah, he can, but the arm is trapped. He needs his arm to be on this side. Then it's a double buggy choke. So the arm is trapped. He can't go in for the buggy choke. Double buggy. So yeah, side control, buggy choke is an option. Any other doubts? 3, 2, 1.
You have attended so many jiu-jitsu lessons in many places. How's your feedback? this seminar, special seminar.
It's very specialized. I've never seen such a specialized thing on something that is so rare.
Would you like to recommend it to your friends?
I think you'll get the most likes that you have. Yeah.
That means 5 likes.
Can't beat it.
humble for a reason.
He's saying कि तुम नाले पार से जो एक्टर आए हो, वो कह रहे हैं जो तवा फ्राई एक्टर आया है हमारा, वो खुद टैप कर रहा है, वो इसलिए सैटरडे आया है, ऐसा कह रहे हैं। इतना ही बोलना चाहोगे in your defense? Who is getting choked?
दोनों टाइम भी कर लेगा, दिक्कत नहीं है। उस पे ही रहे, हिप पे फ्रेम पर और
घर के कभी आज तक इतने डाउट आए हैं? ज्यादा डाउट नहीं थे घर के।
एंटरटेन कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा टाइम।
बताओगे कुछ स्पारिंग बताओगे?
इसको कैसे कहते हैं?
आप अभी साइडवेज नहीं हो, आपको और साइडवेज होना पड़ेगा। हाँ, और थोड़ा सा और आप हिप एस्केप करो। हाँ, कोशिश करो ये वाला पैर आपका पीछे आ जाए। हाँ 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 हाँ, और साइड ज़्यादा करना है और ये करना। अभी आप बैक करते हैं, एक बार आना उतना ही थोड़ी बैक पे।
यहाँ तो रॉन्ग टेक्निक में भी टैप हो जाएगा इसका।
बैक पे नहीं रहने का
है ना?
छोड़ा अपने आप आर्म अंदर आएगा। अभी तो मेरे जगह पैर अगर आप इस साइड से आओ देखो, आई एम नॉट ऑन माय बैक। That's what I'm saying. Go forward and in the rolling, not as of now. Keep practicing on the public.
Yeah, but I think the lesson is over. Unfortunately, it's time to start rolling.
Okay, water break, guys. And after that, we roll. Yeah. Finish it off in style, right? करना पड़ेगा आपको स्पारिंग।
क्या फिनिश कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, स्पारिंग के लिए तो थैंक यू। So before we spar, I'd like to thank Vineet sir and Vineet sir for his opportunity that we students get to teach our own styles, our own versions, our own techniques, our own submissions, and let's partner up and let's go.